Hello everyone, welcome to PTE Reorder Real Exam Question Series. This is 52nd video in this series. It means that we have already covered 51 highly repetitive and real exam reorder paragraphs questions जो students को paper में exam में आए भी हैं. My name is Bhrat Brij and let's get started with this. First things first, now PTE is accepted for UK, so if you want to study, work or settle in UK, you can do it through PTE, and 90% of Canadian universities now accept PTE academic. And this is my scorecard. As you can see, I have scored a perfect 90 in all the 10 skills. So whatever the tips, strategies and hacks I'm going to teach you is going to work. So you have to pay attention to whatever is being taught to you in this series, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. Now coming to the PTE reading, it is of 32 to 41 minutes and this is an integrated section जहाँ पे आपको अपने आप time management करनी होती है. But one thing I want to add is that it's not scored out of 90, it's scored out of just 47 marks. It has 5 question types, the order is fixed, and today's topic is about reorder paragraph, which is the third question type in this order. Now coming to the scoring, this is the real scoring. As I said that the reading module just contributes 47 marks, so you can see that's contribution, and reorder paragraphs contributes 6 marks. So if you are getting 3 reorder paragraphs, so they will be of 2 marks each. Okay, yes, students feel that this 2 marks, that's it. Do we need to pay attention? Yes, because reading, getting marks from your RWFIB, RFIB is little bit tricky and difficult, so you need to pay attention to reorder paragraphs as those are quite easy to score. So what is the timing? For reorder paragraphs, the max time you can spend on solving one question is just 2 minutes. You cannot spend more than 2 minutes. अब इन 2 मिनट में आपको करना क्या होगा? You have to skim, then you have to apply our strategies, then you have to make pairs, and then you have to confirm all the pairs जो आप बना रहे हो वो सही हैं या नहीं हैं. So this is today's reorder paragraph. As usual, I'm going to give you 30 seconds to skim through this, and then we are going to discuss this. Okay, so you know that the first thing we do is we skim the reorder paragraphs for finding independent line and conclusion line, and conclusion line is just optional. Okay, so let's get started with this. This enormous hungry fish, this aa gaya, so this is a pronoun, it cannot be independent line. Our independent line cannot have pronouns. All these strategies, the tips and tricks we teach to our students in online as well as offline coaching. So that's why this is not an independent line. As it kills, as मतलब जैसे वो उनको मारती है, smaller fish को. Again, this cannot be your independent line as के कारण. The southern pike is a big obnoxious fish species which inhabits Lake Erie. Yes, it can be your independent line. Baki, abhi let's see, we just have one more line pending, and what we are doing is we are using process of elimination here. We are eliminating the wrong options, and then we जो भी line बचेगी, that is going to be our independent line. As a result किसी चीज़ का conclusion होता है. This is one of the our hints, or you can say our strategies for finding concluding line. So this cannot be your independent line also. So we have just one line as independent line, the southern pike, this one, and this line is our concluding line. So what we are going to do is we are going to drag this, we are going to move this over here. Now let's see the second line or the pairs. The southern pike is a big obnoxious fish species which inhabits Lake Erie. अब यहाँ पे अब आपके पास, आपको पता है ये कंक्लूजन लाइन है, तो आप इसको एलिमिनेट कर सकते हो, राइट? नाउ यू हैव टू थिंक दैट इन दोनों में से कौन सा आपका सही सेकंड लाइन या पेयर बनाएगा. दिस इनॉर्मस फिश और एज इट किल्स ऑल स्मॉलर फिश. एज इट किल्स मतलब कहीं ना कहीं कोई बात हो रही होगी स्मॉल फिश की और किलिंग की। कहाँ बात हो रही है? इस लाइन में बात हो रही है। दिस इनॉर्मस हंग्री फिश ईट्स अप लिटिल फिश। लिटिल मीन्स स्मॉलर। सिनोनिम्स हैं सच एज ट्राउट एंड पर्च दैट लिव इन द लेक। ओके, सो अब यहाँ पे दिस इनॉर्मस और यहाँ पे बिग भी सिनोनिम्स हैं। सो डिपेंडिंग अपॉन आर एसओ स्ट्रैटेजी, आपको पता है कि ये वाली लाइन इसके बाद आएगी, क्योंकि पहले आप कोई बात कर चुके हैं यहाँ पे कि जो ये बड़ी फिश है वो छोटी फिश को ईट अप कर जाती है, और जैसे ये ईट अप कर रही है छोटी फिश को। So obviously this line is going to come as the second line, right? So we are going to move it over here. हमने pair already discuss किया हुआ है. This is going to come over here. Just telling you the reason because यहाँ पे देखिए, यहाँ पे eating की बात हो रही है little fish की, and depending upon our SO strategy, यहाँ पे आप देखिए as it kills all smaller fish. So this is how it is linked. And now we are just left with one line. वैसे भी as a result is your conclusion की line, conclusion की towards paragraph move कर जाता है. So we are going to put it at the last. Now let's see if all these answers are correct or not. Yes, all the answers or all the pairs are correct. So you see, if you know the right strategies, how easy it can be to solve your reorder paragraphs. Now, what are Marvel PTE strategies? First of all, we look how to find independent line. There are certain rules, strategies which we teach to our students. Then BS strategy, which is brought to specific strategy. CO strategy, chronological order strategy. LO strategy, logical order strategy, connectors, TO strategy, topical order strategy, AB strategy, abbreviation strategy, SO strategy, subject object strategy, and last sentence rule. These are our strategies. As you have seen in today's reorder paragraph, हमने independent line के rules apply किए, last sentence वाले rules apply किए, pair कैसे बना लिया SO strategy से. So we could easily solve our reorder paragraph. But remember, you just have 2 minutes. You cannot spend more than 2 minutes in solving your reorder paragraph. So in first 30 to 60 seconds, you have to skim the content, you have to find an independent line and conclusion line. Always remember this is optional. And once you have done these three things, then in the remaining 30 to 60 seconds, you have to apply our strategies to find the right pair, the right order. And all the strategies which we teach to our students are validated and proven strategies. The proof is in the ticker below. You can see so many students of ours have achieved their target score. So if they can achieve their target score, you can also. And these are some of our recent success stories where students have scored 90, 87, 86, 82, and even 81 scores. So if all these guys can score their target score, you can also score. And if you have any questions or doubts, or if you want to take online coaching or in-institute coaching, you can WhatsApp us at 8699 121 121. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. We give wings to your dreams.